Hi guys, welcome back. Right, in the vice we have a kale. This one was sent to me by Yanni 064. And I've had it for ages, and I didn't know why, but I couldn't pick it. It's only a 5. Is it a 5 pin? I think it's only a 5 pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 6 pin, yeah, 6 pin, and I had it ages. I couldn't pick it. And then I saw PB pick one on a video, and I thought I'll have another crack at it. And I noticed this mark on the top, which looks very much like someone has tried to get it out of a door by snapping it with a pair of mole grips. So I figured maybe the core is squashed, and under closer examination I thought, well, yeah, I can see gaps down the bottom here, and up the top it looks very tight. So I put super heavy tension on it, and I managed to pick it, and the core was so tight to turn because the body had been slightly squished. So once I picked it, I took it apart, and I could see where this has been pushed in at the top. There was a little dimple on the inside, so I filed that, tried to pick it again, and it opened, you know, very easily. So that is the only reason I was unable to pick it before, is because of the damage where it has been removed from a door. And I was just thinking, why the hell can't I pick this? It should be easy. So I'll pick it now. Hopefully it'll be easy. Famous last words. It's pretty standard spools and two standard and 4 spools. I just go very gently. Look for the binders. That's a little click on 3. Little click on 6. 1. Little click on 1. And 2. Yes, now we have a false set. That was a touch on 5, and he turned a bit more. Counter rotation near the back. I think that's 6, but I'm not sure if that's the actual one. I heard a couple drop then. Now 1 is given. Counter rotation again. And 2 again. Cancer can be the loneliest place. If you're living with cancer or love someone who is, 5. Here for you. For information, advice, or a chat, call us from 0808. 5, that's a bigger false set. Right, 1 fill set, 2 fill set, 3. Gave a little bit of. Well, I'm getting counter rotation here somewhere. I'm not sure if that's the one I need. And I'm getting counter rotation here. And I'm getting counter rotation right at the back. Right, let's just get a deeper hook a second. If I can find one that'll fit, because it's quite a tight keyway. Where are we? Is it that one? Famous last word says it's going to be easy, and then it's not easy. There we go. Got it. Okay. I don't know how long it was, a couple of minutes, but it was a damn sight easier than the first time I tried to pick it with the damage. Shall I gut it? It's not really anything exciting. We'll gut it, but as I say, it's nothing exciting in here. Just wanted to show that I was not defeated by the kale in the end. In the end, they all open. Alright, let's put this in a position. Lots there I've picked already. Don't know if I'll bother putting them on video. They're pretty standard. There's an asset there. I've been having trouble with assets, but I managed to pick an asset, which is good for me. Right, enough waffling, Simon. Let's get this bugger open. Okay, this is a bender, so it comes off really quite easy if you bend it enough. Huh? There we go. I fucking still haven't bent it enough. Okay, let's bend it a lot. There we go, right, okay, he's off. Where's my follower? Here's a follower. Okay. Yeah, that'll be fine there. Where's the key pins? They're up there, so let's do it like this. There we go. There's that. Right, okay. The Bible, pretty standard. No counter milling, no threading. Pin 1. How many do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need all these old 6 pins. Pin 1. Standard. 2 standard. 3 standard. I'm guessing they're all going to be standard. 4. I've got no key for this, so yeah, 4 standard. 5 standard. And 6 standard. Standard core. Okay, let's get these out. Okay, so in 1 we have a standard steel anti-drill. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is standard. 4 is a spool. 5 standard. That's another steel one. And 6 I think was a spool. Yeah, 6 is a spool as well. So yeah, that's the Kale. Turkish Kale. I think all the springs are pretty standard. Quite large springs actually, but they're all the same length. Yes, nothing done to the Bible except for it was squashed. It was squashed, so I just filed away here a little bit, because like I say, where someone took it out of the door, they squashed this in and it made a little dimple on the inside. And it made it a bugger to pick open. Okay guys, that's the Kale 6 pin Euro. Thank you, Yanni. Very nice. And I finally cracked it. Okay guys, see ya.